Hello all, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will tell you that which country is best for you. So, first of all, as we all know that majority of Indian student or any other country student from South Asia are moving to Canada or Australia. In a news article, we have a news that more than 50 students move to these countries for higher education. But as we all know that Canada visa success rate is so low because its visa rejection rate is more than 60%. So you can't apply to Canada. Instead of Canada, you can go to UK or Australia. And Australia have same weather as compared to India because it's mostly hot, and UK also have same weather because due to climate changing, UK weather keep changing and continue to adopt more heat as compared to their past. In past, UK was more cold, but in today's time, UK has more heat and more hot temperature. So you can go to UK as well as in Australia too. And for US, you need more money, but you only have to give interview in the embassy, so you can get your visa. If you don't have money, then you can go to Italy, but beware, in Italy student don't get any appointment in embassy, so don't try to apply for Italy. Instead of that, you can apply for Latvia, Lithuania and Czech Republic. This and Poland, these are the cheapest colleges of Europe. You need only just Indian rupees like 10 lakh. It's estimate around 9,000 euro, and fees would be around 2 to 3,000 euro for these colleges. So that why you can keep going to these colleges, and after that you can move to Canada after 1 to 2 years of work permit. First of all, you come out to India because in India it's impossible to get visa. From that country you can easily get your visa to Canada or USA. So first of all, come out from India and then apply for work permit in Canada after completing your studies. And finally, I would like to say that if you want to continue study, do study outside of India because it's give you a international exposure. Plus apply for Schengen area because you can move from one country to another and enjoy your vacations. Means you can travel from one country to another in a cheap price. So you can apply for Schengen area and it will give you a career overall boost, and you can simply go to 27 countries in one visa, and you can later on apply for a job in these countries. So that's why Europe is best, but you have to speak their language. So it's not a problem because everyone speaks English in the campus, so you will easily get a job. Don't worry about it. So thank you. If you like video, like, share and comment.